This is problem 27 from the STAX chemistry textbook, and it's a gas law problem. And so we have a spray can, all right, and it has some gas in it, and it has a pressure of 1344 torr. So 1344 torr is the same thing as millimeters of mercury. Okay. If you're comfortable using torr, that's fine. And the temperature, so that's the initial pressure of this can, and the initial temperature of this can is 23 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, what you need to remember to constantly do is add 273.15, if you like, to each of the degrees Celsius numbers to convert those to Kelvin. Okay. 296 Kelvin, all right? So that's the initial condition, all right? Now, this can is thrown into a fire, okay? And we want to know what the final pressure is, okay? And what we do know is that the final temperature, or T2, is 475 degrees Celsius. Now, remember to add 273 to that, all right? To convert that to Kelvin, 475, 273, I get 748 Kelvin, okay? All right, so we're going to use the kelvins here. Now, what the law you want to use is the Gay-Lussac's law, so P1 over T1 is equal to P2 over T2. It's customary to do the algebra first to isolate this variable P2. So we want to multiply both sides of this equation by T2, and we get, so they cancel here, and we get a new formula. P2 is equal to T2P1 over T1. And so here we want to now plug in these values, okay? So P2 is going to be T2, okay, that's 748 Kelvin, all right, times P1, that's 1344 torr, or 1344 millimeters of mercury. And that's all going to be over T1, which we said was 296 Kelvin, okay? I don't like to put dots or multiplication symbols in my work. I just like to put parentheses, but you can do what you feel is most comfortable for you mathematically. When we punch this into our calculator, we get this value, 3396.324. It looks like a repeating decimal, okay? The units there, if you look to see what cancels, are going to be millimeters of mercury, or the starting torrs if you kept it that way. All right, so we need to, of course, round this off to the correct number of significant figures. I'm just going to loosely round this off to 4 sig figs. Should be 3 sig figs, but I'm going to write 3396 millimeters of mercury. And so I'm just going to say not rounded, okay? So that's not rounded correctly, okay? So I'm just going to leave it as that. That's how you do this problem. I'm just focusing on getting the right pressure, not necessarily working on sig figs, okay? Thanks for watching, and please do consider supporting my channel by subscribing. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. It's completely free. Have a great day.